Imagine a world where everything is in constant flux, where the only certainty is change. This was the idea that Heraclitus, an ancient Greek philosopher, proposed over 2,000 years ago. In fact, Heraclitus is often called the weeping philosopher because of his intense focus on the impermanence of life. Born into a wealthy family in the city of Ephesus, Heraclitus had the luxury of time to ponder the mysteries of life. His birth in around 535 BCE coincided with a period of great intellectual awakening, where the foundations of Western philosophy were being laid. Heraclitus, however, chose to distance himself from the mainstream thinkers of his time. He was a solitary figure, often retreating into the wilderness to contemplate on life and existence. His ideas were profound, and they made him one of the most revered philosophers of his era. At the heart of Heraclitus's philosophy was the concept of change. He believed that everything in the universe was in a constant state of flux, and this idea was encapsulated in his famous phrase, "You cannot step into the same river twice." For Heraclitus, the river symbolized the ever-changing nature of life. But Heraclitus didn't stop there. He went on to propose that fire was the primordial element from which all things were created. This was a radical idea at the time, as most philosophers believed that water was the fundamental building block of life. But for Heraclitus, fire was a perfect symbol of change, of transformation, and of life's cyclical nature. Another key aspect of Heraclitus's philosophy was the idea of unity in opposites. He saw the world as a system of balanced exchanges, where conflict and tension give rise to harmony and balance. Think of a bow and arrow, he would say. The tension between the bowstring and the bow creates the energy to launch the arrow. Despite his radical ideas, Heraclitus's writings have survived only in fragments. His philosophy was often obscured by his cryptic and paradoxical style. Yet, his influence on later philosophers is undeniable. From Plato to Nietzsche, Heraclitus's ideas about change and conflict have shaped philosophical thought for over 2 millennia. To summarize, Heraclitus believed in the impermanence of life, symbolized by the ever-changing river and the transformative fire. He saw conflict as the driving force of change, leading to a harmonious balance in the world. His philosophy, while obscured by the sands of time, continues to resonate with us, reminding us of life's fleeting nature and the beauty of change. In the next episode of the World Philosophers series, we'll delve deeper into the philosophical world of Heraclitus. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on FactUp and join us on this fascinating journey through the annals of ancient wisdom.